Do you want your content to rank number one on Google and other search engines? Or are you simply looking to produce quality content? Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about the best tools which are going to help you produce quality content and you would be able to write seamlessly when you use these tools. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to IIM Skills. Now guys, before I dive deeper into what exactly are content writing tools, I'm going to give you a little gist about them. Guys, these tools are simple softwares that are made to help you generate and maintain the quality of your content. These tools have become so popular these days, and there are so many different type of content writing tools that are coming out almost every day. So you must make the most of these tools. Now, some of these tools are paid and some of these tools are unpaid. But to begin with, I would highly recommend that you start the free version of these tools and see which one you are best benefited from. The first tool on our list today is Grammarly. Now guys, Grammarly is such a popular tool. I remember when I first began my journey as a content writer, this was the first tool that I was introduced to, and I remember being so excited when I actually saw how this tool works. So if you used Grammarly as well, you've had an experience using it, go ahead in the comment section and let us know what exactly your experience was like. Grammarly, as the name suggests, is used to correct the grammatical errors in your article. To use this tool, you have to go to grammarly.com and create an account. And it is a very simple tool, and it is a free tool as well. Yes, it does have a paid feature, but I would recommend that you start with the free version of it. So you go to grammarly.com, you create an account and you upload your file, or there even is an option where you can paste your article, but there is a word limit to it. And once you do that, Grammarly highlights the spelling mistakes and the punctuations and the grammatical errors in your article. It also replicates your complex sentences with very simple and efficient ones. So guys, this is a great tool. It's really very popular, amongst beginners as well as amongst seasoned content writers. So go ahead and use this tool, and I'm really sure you are not going to be disappointed. Now guys, as a content writer, you have to produce not just quality content, but also original content. And that is why you must run your article through a plagiarism checker. Now there are so many plagiarism tools available. I beg your pardon, there are so many plagiarism checker tools available online, and some of them are DupliChecker, there is Small SEO and QText. Very simple to use. You just have to go and again either upload your file or paste your article. Again, there is a word limit to it, and these tools are going to give you the ratio, or they're going to give you a score of how plagiarized your article is. So the higher the score, the more plagiarized your article is. And an ideal practice is to keep the plagiarism level under 4%. Guys, Google does not rank plagiarized articles, so you want to really use these tools. They're quite handy and they're very easy to use as well. Now guys, before I tell you about our next tool, let me give you an example. You have 5 articles in front of you and you've got to pick reading just one. Which one would you pick? Well, I would pick the one which has the most catchy headline. And it is the same for almost everyone. Guys, people, your audience are gravitated to very catchy headlines. And that is why you need to use a very powerful headline. This is where the next tool is used. It's a very cool tool called Headline Analyzer. And using this headline analyzer tool is definitely going to help you generate a headline which is click-worthy. To use Headline Analyzer, you've got to go to coschedule.com and you can paste your headline there, and it gives you a score. Now guys, please note that the score that you must get is about 70%. So the higher the score, the more powerful your headline is. Guys, this tool also gives you tips to generate very effective headlines, and it gives you words where you can replace your headlines with. So for example, it gives you words like powerful or magical. These are just examples, but you can incorporate these words and increase the effectiveness of your headlines. The next tool on our list is Answer the Public. Now again guys, this is a very popular tool to look for keywords. For those who don't know the meaning of keywords, I'll put it in a very simple way. Keywords are words which are in demand. So for example, let's take a look at the keyword part-time jobs. Guys, there are nearly 1 million people monthly who are entering this particular keyword, that is part-time jobs, on search engines. Alright, there are many other words like that, and you can identify these keywords for your article by using Answer the Public. With that, we come to an end with our video. Do let me know which was your favorite content writing tool in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IIM Skills. Thank you for watching.